What's up guys, real quick, I just wanted to invite you to our Agency Sales Mastery Workshop, August 27th, Portland, Oregon. Mark your calendars, get on the wait list, reserve a spot because they will go soon. We're gonna spend all day with you from 9 to 4:30, and we're gonna get into the details of how we can write more life insurance policies in our agency. 200 plus life insurance policies a year, 100 plus thousand in premium. Guys, we're gonna get into the details and we're gonna teach you how to upgrade your sales skill set. We're gonna teach you repeatable sales processes that you can plug into and get those type of results. And we're gonna teach you the proven strategies that are working for hundreds, if not thousands of team members across the country to get that type of production. If you want to take yourself, to take your agency to that next level, please reach out, reserve your spot. I know they're gonna go soon, but we'd love to see you there.